You go in. Not too fast. Crash, come on then. Watch where you're going. Both brakes, sweetheart, both of them. Good boy. Okay?
I want some juice.
Well, one more ride round and then we'll go back to the car, so you're going to be juicing the car.
Have a some juice left.
Yeah, well, one more ride and then we'll go back to the car. Come on.